What up, guys? Welcome back to Herbs class, man. I got 5 more minutes of math, and these are special minutes today because we talking trig, trigonometry. You know, trig is short for buddy, trigonometry. Trigonometry, man. Trig for short, right? So the whole idea and the whole foundation of trigonometry is one shape. I bet you can figure out what shape that is.
A triangle!
Dun, dun, dun.
Ba-da-ba.
Yeah, a triangle. So we're going to start this out with one specific type of triangle, a right triangle.
Da-da-da-da.
Right triangle trig. Exactly right. So the whole foundation of trigonometry is that no matter what size this triangle happens to be, the relationships between the sides of the triangle will always be the same. So the ratios between any two sides of this triangle will be exactly the same no matter how big I make this triangle, as long as the angles stay the same. Now, if you remember anything about geometry, the size of a triangle has nothing to do with the size of the angles. I'm going to show you what I mean. Let me just put an angle measure in here. Let's say that angle is 30 degrees, right? So if this angle is 30 degrees, then no matter how big I actually make the actual triangle, this red side over this blue side will be the same ratio, the same fraction reduced to the same fraction no matter how big I make this triangle. Let me show you what I mean with another triangle. Yeah, so I made an even bigger triangle. Now, it's still a 30-degree angle right here, but look how much bigger my triangle is. Now, even though this is a bigger triangle, if I took this red side and compared it in comparison with this blue side, the ratio would be the same as it was when it was a small triangle. Yeah, even if I made it bigger. Even a big, huge triangle like this, as long as that's still a 30-degree angle, this red side over this blue side will be the exact same ratio as it was in this triangle, as it was in that triangle. All right, so back to these original triangles, right? So we gave the vertices labels. So I got angle A over here, angle B over here, and angle C will be the right angle. So trig is based on two things: the ratio of the sides, the comparison of the sides of this triangle, and the angle that we're talking about, right? So let's talk about angle A. All right, these are the 3 trig functions. These are the names of the relationships between the sides of this triangle. You'll see what I'm talking about in a second. Now, to give that relationship, we need an angle for reference. So every trig function is based on an angle. Remember, no matter how big we made this triangle, that angle stayed the same. So if I'm talking about angle A, there are 3 ways I can compare these 3 sides of this triangle based on angle A: sine, cosine, and tangent. Those are the names of the 3 trig functions, or the 3 types of relationships. You'll see what I'm talking about.